for today's lesson, we'll be learning about comparison of numbers. But before anything else, I want you to watch this video.
Welcome back, guys. Today, we're going to learn about comparing numbers. Let's head on over and take a look. Here we have the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. We will be using these symbols to compare numbers. Here we have two groups of ones blocks. We need to compare these groups of blocks. The first thing we need to do is count how many is in each group. We start on the left and we can see that there are 4 blocks. And on the right side, we have 10 blocks. We need to use one of the 3 symbols to compare these two groups. I like to think of this symbol as a big mouth that is always hungry. It wants to eat the biggest amount, so the open side should always face toward the biggest number. One thing that helps me is to remember that just like reading a book, we start on the left. Knowing this will help us remember if it is greater than or less than. Okay, so we have 4 on the left and 10 on the right. The symbol's mouth will open to the larger number. Which number is larger? The 10 is larger, so the mouth opens to the 10. If we were to read this, we would say 4 is less than 10. Let's look at another problem. Here we have 8 blocks on the left and 6 blocks on the right. The open mouth faces toward the bigger number. So which is bigger? The 8 is bigger, so the mouth opens toward the 8. Now to read this sentence, we start from the left and say 8 is greater than 6. Great job, guys! All right, now we can move into some bigger numbers. Okay, let's compare these numbers and see which symbol to use. Here we have the number 452 and the number 425. To help me compare, I am going to put the numbers on top of each other. I will put the number on the left on top and the number on the right on the bottom. Now that we have them lined up, let's compare them using our knowledge of place value. We start with the biggest value first, which is the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, both numbers have 400, so the hundreds are the same. Let's move on to the tens place. In the tens place, in the top number we have 50, and in the number below we have 20. Which number is greater, 50 or 20? The 50 is greater, so right away we know that 452 is a bigger number. This symbol wants to eat the larger number, so which number will it want to eat? Right, 452. If we were to read this statement, we would start from the left and say 452 is greater than 425. Awesome job, guys, you're doing great. Here we have another set of numbers to compare. On the left we have 694, and on the right we have 697. Can you tell me which number is bigger? Well, my initial thought is that they look almost the same, but let's compare them like we did before. Let's start in the hundreds place. Both numbers have 600 in the hundreds place, so the hundreds are the same. Now if we look at the tens place, we see that they both have 90 in the tens place. Now we look at the ones place, and the number on top has 4 ones, and the number on bottom has 7 ones. We know that 7 is the greater number. 697 is greater than 694. Now we need to face the mouth towards the greater number, which is 697. Now, can you guys read this statement for me? Correct. 694 is less than 697. Great job again. All right, guys, this has been tons of fun, but I have to get going. We'll see you next time, okay? Bye.
Slow
students, this is me again, Teacher Ray, and for today's lesson, we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. Okay, can you repeat after me? Comparison of numbers. Again, comparison of numbers. Good job. But before anything else, let's have vocabulary. And please repeat after teacher. Number 1, equal, equal, equal. Spell E Q U A L. E Q U A L. Equal, equal. Good job. Number 2, greater, greater, greater. Spell G R E A T E R. G R E A T E R. Greater, greater. Good job. Number 3, less, less, less. Spell L E S S. L E S S. Less, less. Good job. Now, are you ready? Very good. Now let us start. Kindly repeat after teacher. Symbols, symbols are used instead of words. Again, symbols are used instead of words. Symbols in mathematics. Okay, the first one here, this one, means equal. Yeah, this is the meaning of this is equal. And the next one here, this one, means does not equal. And the third one, this one, means greater than. And the last one, this means less than. Okay, can you repeat? Means equal. Means does not equal. The third one means greater than. The last one means less than. Please remember all of these signs. Okay, let's proceed. Example. Okay, everybody say comparison of numbers. Again, comparison of numbers. Example. As you can see here, we have 46 blank 46. Okay, so let me ask you, are they equal or not? Yes, they are equal. Okay, and how about here? 46 box 46. Okay, as you can see here, 46 box 46. Now, what sign will be here? Yes, of course, it must be the sign of equal. Okay, please remember that one, because the amount of 46 here, the same with the amount of another 46 at the right side. Okay, now let's proceed. 43 blank 46. Oh, are they equal or not? 43 blank 46. Are they equal or not? Yes, they are not equal or does not equal. Okay, and 43 box 46, we will write the sign like this. So This is equal and this is unequal or does not equal. Okay? Now, here, 47 blank 46. Okay, this time we are going to use greater than and less than. Okay, 47 blank 46. Are we going to write greater than or less than? Yes, since 47 is bigger than 46, that's why we write greater than. 47 is greater than 46. Okay, and 47 box 46, we will write the sign like this. That means greater than. Again, 47 is greater than 46. Do you understand? Good job. Here, how about this one? 40 blank 46. Hey, what do you think? Is it greater than or less than? Very good. That is less than because 46 is less than 46. Okay, so it must be less than. And the sign for less than is like this, the opposite sign of greater than. Okay, here, example. Circle the number that is greater than the other. Okay, number one, look at here. 72 or 78. Which one is greater? 72 or 78? Yes, that is 78. Now, number two, 48 or 87. Which one is greater? Yes, that's 87. Number three, 11 or 17. Yes, that's 17. Number four, 39 or 29. Yes, that's 39. 39 is greater than 29. Number five, which one is greater? 20 or 84? Yes, of course, 84. Okay, please remember. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Circle the number that is less than the other. Again, circle the number that is less than the other. Number one. Which one is less? 21 or 24? Yes. 21 is less than 24. Number two. Which one is less? 65 or 56? Yes, that's 56. Here, number three, 78 or 80? Yes, of course, that's 78. Number four, 77 or 42? Yes, that's 42. Number five, 54 or 81? Yes, that's 54. Good job. Okay, another example. Write the symbols less than or greater than in the boxes. Number one, 87, box 78. So what are we going to write here? Less than or greater than? Yes, since 87 is greater than 78, so we should put greater sign. Number two, 20 plus 5 box 4 plus 19. Okay, what sign will be here? Okay, that's greater because 20 plus 5 is 25 and 4 plus 19 is 23. So that means 20 plus 5 is greater than 4 plus 19. Number 3, 45 box 40 plus 6. What will be the sign here? Yes, that's less than because 45 and the other side is 40 plus 6 and that is 46. So that means 45 is less than 40 plus 6. Number 4, 12 box 91. Again, 12 box 91. What will be the sign here? Yes, that's less than. 12 is less than 91. Number 5, 67 box 57. 67 box 57. Yes, that's greater than. 67 is greater than 57. Now let's proceed to another example. Here, write the symbols equal or unequal here in the boxes. Number 1, 32 box 23. Are they equal or unequal? Yes, they are not equal. Okay. Number 2, 18 box 10 plus 18. Oh, be careful. What do you think? Yes, that's equal. 18 and 10 plus 8 is 18. So they are the same in values. Now number 3, 76 box 66. 76 box 66. Yes, that's unequal. Okay. Now number 4, 40 minus 10. Box 40 plus 10. Okay, what will be the sign here? 40 minus 10 and 40 plus 10. So what will be the sign here? Yes, that's unequal because 40 minus 10, that is 30, and 40 plus 10, that is 50. So that means they are not equal. Number 5, 4 plus 30 box 30 plus 4. What do you think? Yes, they are equal because 4 plus 30 is 34 and 30 plus 4 is 34. Okay, now let's proceed directly to our
activity.
Since you cannot ask questions because we are just making videos. Okay, but don't you worry, you can ask me during our face-to-face class. Here, activity 1. Circle the number that is greater than the other. Again, circle the number that is greater than the other. Okay, I will put example here. Number 1, 74 or 79. So that's why I put circle and 79 since 79 is greater than 74. Okay, so you have to answer from 2 down to 5. And next, circle the number that is less than the other. Again, circle the number that is less than the other. Okay, I'll put example here. Number 1, 22 or 25. Okay, since the 22 is less than 25, so that's why I put circle. Activity 2. Write the symbols less than or greater than in the boxes. Again, write the symbols less than or greater than in the boxes. Okay, number 1, I put example already. Since 98 is greater than 89, that's why I put this sign. That means greater than. 98 is greater than 89. Okay, so you have to answer from 2 down to 5. And next, write the symbols equal or unequal or does not equal in the boxes. Here I put example in number 1, 42 box 23. That's why I put unequal or does not equal since 42 and 23 are not equal. Okay, so you have to answer from 2 down to 5. And thank you very much for listening. I hope that you could still remember all the things that we have done today. Bye-bye.